this video, I'll show you how we scaled one of our e-commerce brands from $10,000 per month here to over $1 million per month here using funnels. And as you can see here, like we were pretty stagnant in our growth. Until we started using funnels, we were like stagnant, we were not profitable, we were just like breaking even. And that's the same situation that you might be in right now. And I'll show you exactly the reason why that happens to you and your business. Because most entrepreneurs, they're using this basic bitch funnel strategy. And what I mean by that is they would have an ad. That ad would lead to the product page, and then it would go to the order page. They wouldn't have anything to maximize the order value, the conversion rate. They would just like, hey, here's the product. You like it, don't like it, fucking buy it, right? That's what most entrepreneurs do. That's exactly what I did as well. And that's why our business was stagnant. Because if you think about the decision-making process for any customer that buys e-commerce product, they see the product. So that's awareness. That's what's created with your ads. After that, the person sees the product, they kind of like in this consideration stage. They're thinking, should I buy this product? Should I not buy this product? And unless you educate them and build the desire and anticipation for that product, they don't buy because people are exposed to thousands of ads every single day. So let me show you an example of that. For example, this is one of the brands that's using this basic bitch product selling strategy, right? So you can see here, okay, here's the product. You might consider buying this product. Very cool, right? The person's talking to the camera. The ad is pretty average, but that's besides the point. After that, if you click on this link, you go straight to the website. That's it. You just see the product. Pregnancy leggings. What the fuck that is? Like pregnancy leggings. It's a commodity product. It's like so many people are selling the same product. And I don't know a reason why these pregnancy leggings are better than any other pregnancy leggings I could buy elsewhere. Because if I go here on Google and if I search for pregnancy leggings, check it out. I have hundreds of options. So think about this. The product that you're selling right now, you're not special. You're not selling anything special, unfortunately. And I'm not selling anything special. We're basically selling the same products that other people are selling as well. And if we're selling them with very basic product pages, here's the product, just buy it. We're not showing how this product is different, then people simply will not buy and you won't be profitable. And that is exactly the reason why our business wasn't as profitable and why we have not been able to scale. Instead, what you want to do is you want to use a proper funnel. Now, we're still starting with an ad. We're still advertising. Nothing changes on that side. But instead of driving people to the basic product page, basic bitch product page, we're driving them to the advertorial. So let me show you an example of that. So here, for instance, this is the swipe file of different advertorials. By the way, I'll share that with you as well. And this is an ad. But instead of driving people to the product page, it drives people to this advertorial. And this advertorial doesn't talk about the product. It doesn't talk about the price. It doesn't show them the price, how much this product actually costs, but it talks about the problem that people are facing. That costing Bunyan suffers hundreds of months and doubling their pain. Bunyan myth. Just reiterating on that pain that people have and why they have that pain. So they have misaligned joint. It talking about all of the pain points that people are having, red and swollen. Does it make putting on shoes difficult or chopping pain that makes every step a battle? So compare this to the basic product page that I just showed you. This talks a lot about the pain that people are having, the problem that they're having. And we're in the business of solving products for our customers. Now, it also talks about the alternative ways to solve that problem, which in this case is a fucking surgery. Who wants to do the surgery? Like, do you wake up like one day and it's like, hey, yeah, I'm so happy I'm taking surgery on my bunions. No one wants to do that. So you're showing people the alternative way to solve their problem in a less painful way, in a less expensive way. And that's how you sell your products. And now here are some animations about the product, comparison with other options that people could buy. Then you can see kind of like how the product would work, different stats in terms of usage of the product, different studies as well to support what they're saying. Another kind of like before and after image here, some good sales copy here, some social proof, no risk. Risk is completely eliminated. So this is the first stage in this funnel process. So you can see here, we are currently at advertorial stage where we are pre-selling people on the solution. We're making them want the product. We didn't even show them the price, but they're like, I really want this product. I really want this product. So what do? And what I click to the sales page. So if we go here, I click on the second sales page. So again, reinforcing on the pain, promising them the solution, alleviate discomfort, prevent further growth, and improve the bunions without surgery. Doctor, boom. Extra like social proof, authority, some more animations, how to use the product actually, right? That's important. If people buying the product, you better fucking show them how to use it. Now, it might be not as important with clothing. Clothing you just put on, but with some products, with gadgets, with devices, you want to explain how to use the product because that could be one of the reasons people wouldn't buy it. And so 8 reasons why you will love it. Again, comparison, more social proof, even clinical proof, more social proof, reveal your offer now. Now, again, do you see the price here? There's no price. So you don't see the price here. And what it does is like, there's so much value. It's probably costs like hundreds of dollars. And then you just see this page. And now you see the real price. So in our process here, in our proper funnel process, we're landing now on the order page. Now, there are a few things that are happening here. Number one, they're not just selling one product. And that's one of the biggest mistakes that people make. If you're selling a physical product, don't ever sell just one product. Sell 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as you can, because that will help you to be more profitable with your ads. You're spending money on ads anyway, and whether people are buying one product from you or 3 products, which will help you make a lot more money, it's the same amount of ads. It's the same amount that you already spent. So here, if you're buying this product, for instance, it will cost you $49 plus $5 shipping. Now, if you're buying 2, which is highlighted, by the way, right? Kind of like visually gives you the clue that you have to choose this offer here. Also says most popular. It's $44. So you reduce the price a bit, make it more appealing offer. And also you give them the free shipping. You have the option for 3 products. So 3 products, it's even more discount. And so you can see here how the price increases here. It went from $49, which at $55 was the shipping, to $89 to $119. And you can also buy 4 and it's $139. And there is also an option for expedited and insured shipping for only $9.95. So let's say 20% of people take this offer. So now it takes your order from $139 to $149. That is a lot of money. If you think about all of the sales you're getting on a daily basis, let's say you added like $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $10 to your transaction, you're just making so much more money, so much more profit that you can use to scale your business. And if we go back to our structure, after the order page, after we convince people to buy, there comes the most important page in your funnel. And this is the OTO 1. This is where a person just bought it. Like they're very excited. They're in this high emotional state because they're looking forward to that transformation that the product will give them. And this is this part that most entrepreneurs skip. Most entrepreneurs, they just have these product pages. They're just like, hey, here's the product. Buy it. If you don't want to buy it, like let me retarget you 20 times until you buy it. But they're missing on one of the biggest opportunities to increase their average order value, conversion, profitability, all of the important metrics that will help you to scale, which is with your OTO. So OTO is one-time offer, or you can just call it upsell 1. So here, let's say if someone bought the product, you can offer them more products, or you can offer them complementary products. And so let's say you offer them the product for, $60, $70. And then 10% of those people bought the product. This will add you $6 to your average order value without spending more money on ads. And if they don't want to buy it, let's say only 10% buy it, 90% don't, you have the downsell. You offer the same product here, but with a bigger discount. So let's say 10% of people bought here, another 10% bought here. So now you keep stacking those dollars to increase your profitability. After people completed this stage here, they go to OTO 2, then it's also downsell for that offer. After that, it's OTO 3 and downsell here. Now, you might be thinking, oh, Alex, this sounds very complex. Won't people get very disappointed because they see all of these pages? Don't they just want to come to my product page and buy the product? Try it. I tried it and it fucking sucks. And it's very, very low profitability because people need to be educated and entertained. People need to have the anticipation for the product before you actually sell them. And people actually like buying stuff if they see exactly how buying that product will change their life. Just because most marketers suck and most entrepreneurs suck at selling products, they think that selling products more aggressively will hurt their conversions, but in fact, it will increase their conversions. Now, you might be saying, thinking, okay, Alex, let's say I build all of the structure and I can sell my product effectively. I increase my average order value and conversion rate, but like, I don't know what to sell to these people here. I don't have any OTOs. I don't have any complementary products, and I don't even know what products to sell. Don't overthink it. Go to Amazon. So this is the listing for skincare product like collagen skincare cream. If you scroll down here, you'll see frequently bought together, and it will give you lots of ideas on what products you can add next. So for example, a lot of customers that bought this product here also purchased the hyaluronic acid 2% and also bought skin perfecting 2% BHA liquid salicylic acid, right? So they bought all three of these, and that is based on data. It's not based on like, hey, Amazon just like randomly slaps, oh, if you bought Toyota, let me sell you Lamborghini. No, it's based on data. Amazon has millions of buyers coming like and buying products every single day. And this is based on real data. These are the products that people like to buy together. And so all of these are great ideas for you to have on your OTO pages. These are the upsells. Now, one consideration here is that I don't recommend you have more than 3 OTOs. Some entrepreneurs just take it to extreme and they have like 10 OTOs, 10 pages. That is a bad user experience. Imagine like scrolling that page and just clicking, I don't want this offer. I don't want this offer. I don't want this offer for 10 fucking times. Don't do that. That is a bad idea. So 3 is a sweet spot. In our experience, you can go 4 and test how that reflects in your user experience, but 3 is a sweet spot. Now let's see what difference using funnels can make in your business. Let's say you're spending $50,000 a month on ads. So that's what you're spending, let's say $1,500 a day on average. You have 2% conversion rate on your website. You have average order value, let's say $50. And with all of these numbers, let's say you're making about 2,000 sales a month. This is just for illustration purposes. And considering all of these numbers, you're making $100,000 a month in sales. For some people, it could be like, oh, $100,000. For some people, oh, what are the dog shit numbers? But this is just for illustration purposes. And after you started using funnels, let's say you didn't increase your ad spend initially, you're still spending the same $50,000 on ads, and your conversion rate, because of using advertorials, because of just selling people on your product, more educating them. So you increase your conversion rate by 50% from 2% to 3% using that structure. Your average order value, because you started bundling products, you also added OTOs. Let's say it increased by 20%, which is very, very realistic. So instead of $50, now it's $60. So now you increase your conversion rate, you increase your average order value. And if you're driving the same amount of traffic, but you're getting 50% more sales, it means now you're getting 3,000 sales instead of 2,000. And you're also making more money from each one of those sales. So your revenue in this case would be $180,000 by spending exactly the same amount of money on ads. So this structure is absolute dog shit. You have to move away from this structure as soon as possible, and you need to start using funnels because that is a way, that is a key for you to scale your business. Now you might be asking, Alex, how do I actually build all of these funnels? These look very fancy and Shopify doesn't allow me to build proper funnels. And the best solution to build funnels, in my experience, is called Checkout Champ. It gives you the ability to build very customized funnels, to have all of these OTOs, to have very customized bundles and landing pages. It also integrates with different payment processors if you want to diversify and not just use Stripe, because using Stripe at some point will get you fucked in your business. And you can see all of these very complex funnel structures you can build here, so you can maximize your average order value, you can maximize your conversion rate, you can maximize your profitability, and you can scale. And I'll drop the link to Checkout Champ below this video if you want to check it out. It's an awesome platform. We've been using it for several years now, and we're very happy with it. Now, once you start using funnels, it will just transform your business. But all of these changes here, all of these numbers here, don't even take into consideration the proper backend, which is another thing that we were missing here in this structure, where we only had just kind of like front end, buy the product, and then we would not follow up with those people. We would not try to recover those sales. And you want to have a proper backend, email and SMS in your business in order to maximize your funnels even more. And the best platform for that you can utilize with very little effort, it's called Text Cart. Text Cart allows you to recover the carts where people go to your website, they add product to the cart. Sometimes people forget. Sometimes people just leave and never buy the product, and then they never come back because you don't remind them. So Text Card solves that problem. We're using it in our business. It helped us to increase the profitability. It helped us to just maximize the sales, conversion rates, and just squeeze more from the existing traffic that we are getting. It has the cart recovery, it has the pop-ups, it has flows, it has AI assistant. Everything is very easy to use, and it will help you to maximize your profitability even more. So as I showed you guys, we scaled our business from $10,000 a month to over $1 million per month using funnels. It was one of the key difference makers in our business. But when it comes to funnels, the complexity of it is just overwhelming for a lot of people. So if you need actual help implementing the funnel structures in your business, getting guidance, getting templates, getting help with like technical implementation, there should be a link below this video where you can potentially work with my team to help you implement the funnel structures in your business. We'll help you with all the resources. We'll guide you step by step. We'll connect you with other successful e-commerce entrepreneurs, and we'll help you to scale your business. So if you want to book a call and see if that's the right fit for you, there should be a first link in the description. Funnels changed my life, changed my business, changed the profitability, like changed everything. So I hope they change your life as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions when it comes to funnels, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.